I don't know, but this is crazy right here. I don't think any of them ever did this. What's happening, everyone? Welcome back to the Right Eagle channel. This is V, your host. Today, I'm going to be installing this Faro headlight. Something Faro on the box, never heard of him. Hoping this gives me better visibility on the road. The other night we were on the trail and my goodness, couldn't see anything. It's pretty dark. Then afterwards I realized I had the goggles on. I got to get clear lens goggles. And I bought another set of goggles. They gave me 2 sets of lenses. I made a mistake and threw the clear ones away. For some stupid reason I threw the clear ones away. But anyway, I'm gonna install this headlight. Hoping it gives me much more visibility, especially on the trails. On the roads, the stock one, it's not great, but it's not bad. But this came in the box. This is really interesting. It's like a billet. It's like a billet piece. And I'm wondering why they didn't do the same with this. This is like regular metal. This is nice. I wish I had another one for the Talaria. Anyway, we're gonna install it and hope for some great results. Takes 2 screws to secure it. Let's see. Get in there. Okay, here we go. That's one. Okay. So now I'm gonna set this on the surround. Install it on the surround and take it for a test round. I already removed the 2 screws, so I just have to wiggle that out of there. I gotta wiggle the harness for the light on it. What is that? For the headlight? This should be for the switch. But first, loosen these 4 up. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And take this headlight off. Nice and tight. Alright, I trust everything is good. Go ahead and put everything back together. Only thing left for me to do right now is connect the battery and test everything. But the only thing I disconnected was the headlight. There's something kind of quirky about the wiring too. But I think that was it. Everything was kind of opposite. Stuff everything back down. Yeah. Battery back in. Ooh. That looks crazy. You know what? I'm gonna take this in the backyard. I gotta see. This is really bright. Wow. Oh my goodness, this is really bright. Only thing, it looks kind of bulky up here, if that's the right word. It's okay. This how I have my hole. This how this thing has my hole looking. This is no light. This is the headlight. Wow. No light. Yeah, I don't think I ever had headlights this bright. Even them 7-inch headlights I have, I don't think it's this bright. I don't know, but this is crazy right here. I usually test my headlights back here. I don't think any of them ever did this. I mean, I don't know. Now I gotta test it against the Super 73 and I guess the Area Rider. And I have a new headlight to put onto the Talaria as well. It's a light bar. I don't know if it's, you know, it's a single. I probably would have to get the dual to match up to this. But this is like a dual light setup. Because the 4 bulbs. It's almost like the one that came on there, and it's like, you know, instead of the 2, it's the 4. Goodness. I don't even need to see what this does around the neighborhood. Only thing left to do is hit the trails. I'm super impressed. I ain't even going front. Now I gotta go in the... I'm super impressed because I know back here it's pretty dark. I know back here it's pretty dark, so I'm super impressed with how it handled the darkness back there. Woo. This is like one of them giant beam flashlights and shit. This is crazy. Nah.